Hi, my name is Nancy Carillo. I am a first grade teacher at Rolling Hills School. I grew up off of Commack Road, off of Wicks Road, so I attended Greenfields Elementary, which is now the Gerwin Center. Sawmill was a junior high, 7th and 8th grade, and I was the last graduating class, 1988, of Commack South. There's so many memories, I can't think of just one, but growing up, many of my teachers in elementary school inspired me. I would play school at home, pretend I'm the teacher, and that was my dream, and here I am. I remember first grade being Raggedy Ann in a play. In middle school we used to do Sawmill Swings. It was kind of like a variety show. Things like that always stuck out. Those are the happy memories. And one thing in particular, middle school, I had a social studies teacher who was very strict and very tough. But my father had a stroke that year, and my locker was outside her classroom. And she came out and she said, "Nancy, I heard your father is ill. Are you okay? Do you need anything?" And from that moment on, I saw a different side of her that I hope I can also touch my students in that way, that we're there for them. Commack teachers are there for their students. Growing up, my mom, I'm the youngest of 5, and she was always involved in PTA, being the class mom, always volunteering her time, even when they were elderly. So there was a historical committee formed years ago, and they archived different documents and artifacts, and she would just do that all the time. They would attend all the board meetings, and there's actually a room up at Hubs named after her. And I'm hoping maybe when I retire, I'll help out with that committee as well. Working here, it just feels like home. I feel like I'm giving back to all the teachers that gave me a solid foundation and provided me with the skills to be an important person in my family and in my community. And I'm hoping I can inspire some of my students to do the same. Nancy Haas, class of 1988, Commack South.